Hi, my name is Dave. In this video, I'll be taking a closer look at how I've achieved a 59% gain in FSM within 64 days. Let's have a look at the chart of FSM. Entry was on 24th October. There's a roller coaster movement of the price after entry. With the big money behind this play, I'm confident that the price will eventually go higher. The price indeed went higher in December. The trade was exited on 27 December. In summary, this is a bullish trade. There's entry price of 80 cents and exit price of up to $1.27. Big money placement is crucial in this trade. A nice 59% gain for this trade in 64 days. Let's take a quick look at the live statement of this trade. Entry date is 24th October with exit on 27 December. Entry price is 80 cents with exit price of up to $1.27. This trade has achieved a 59% gain in 64 days. Thanks for watching this video. You can watch more free videos at WhaleTrades.com.